Assalamu alaikum. My name Shahbaz Ali and I am in the field of maize crops. Today I am discuss growth parameter of maize crops. There are different growth parameters: parameter, yield components, leaf area index, reproductive stage, vegetative stage, quantification of biomass, growth and development. First, I will discuss yield parameter and yield components. We have to take total height of the plants. Total height means this is a plant. Total height of the means entire roots up to flag leaf. This is total height of the plant. Then measure the leaf length, leaf diameter, biomass of the plant and number of leaves. Yield components. In yield components we calculate the cob. We calculate the cob. What is cob? First we can calculate length of cob, diameter of cob, number of rows per cob, number of grains per row on the cob, and number of total grains on the cob, and total weight of the grains. This is yield components. At number 2 I will discuss leaf area. What is leaf area and how we can calculate leaf area. We cut the leaf with scissor and put on the graph paper and draw lining around the leaf on the graph paper. By this process we calculate leaf area. At number 3 I will discuss leaf area index. In leaf area index, cut the leaf with scissor and measure the total length of the leaves, diameter of the leaves from the mid of the leaves, and multiplication with coefficient factor of maize, that is 0.70. That is 0.70. And this is leaf area, and divided by total land of the 5 selected plants that I can select. I will select from the field for experiment. This is leaf area index. At number 4 I will discuss vegetative stage. What is vegetative stage? In vegetative stage the color of the plant is greenish. This is vegetative stage and the color of the plant is very green, in which plant the color of the plant is greenish, and plant invest their total power, food, nutrition and chlorophyll in the leaves. That is vegetative stage. At number 5 I will discuss reproductive stage. What is reproductive stage? In reproductive stage plant color is changes greenish to yellowish, and chlorophyll move from the leaves to cobs. That is cob, leaves to the cobs. This is reproductive stage. At number 6 I will discuss quantification of biomass. In quantification of biomass at vegetative stage is different and at reproductive stage is different. At vegetative stage there are 5 stages, V1 to V5, and reproductive stage are 7 stages, R1 to R7. We selected 5 plants from the experimental areas, 5 different plants from different rows for experiments, and separate their roots of all 5 plants and put into the paper bag, and then separate their leaves of all 5 plants and put into the paper bag, and then separate their cobs of all 5 plants and put into the next paper bag, and at the end separate their tassels and put into the paper bag. At the end the total stem of the plant calculate and put into the different paper bag, and then put into the oven for dry at 105 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes calculate weight of all 5 paper bags. After this, these paper bags put into the oven for 65 degrees Celsius for 2 days, and after 2 days calculate the weight of these. If the if the calculated weight is constant, if the calculated weight is constant, that is your final result. And if your weight is not constant, calculate again and again and try again and again for 2 hours. This is quantification of biomass. And at last and at the end, I will discuss growth and development. What is growth and development? We sow the seed into the soil, it is emerged in 2 to 3 days, uh, and up to the soil, and this plant is mature in 30 to 40 days, 30 to 50 days. After this, after 30 to 50 days, these are different number of nodes on the plants. Node number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 8, 7, 8, number 9, number 10, number 11. These are the nodes. What is node? It is a point where the leaf is started. More the number of nodes, more the number of leaves. More the number of leaves, and more the number of leaves, more chlorophyll, and the photosynthesis process is more, and we get highly yield and high production from the crops. Today, this is my discussion on growth parameter of maize crops. Thank you so much.